Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this ghost effect on CapCut PC. So I'll just be using a portion of this clip. You can use any clip that you want, of course, in any section of it. Copy and wrong clip. Copy and paste it on top, go to mode, and select overlay. Select the keyframe here, and at the end you're just going to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, maybe a little bit smaller than that. Hold on, let me actually make the clip longer, sorry. Here, and then I'll copy and paste that, and I'll add a keyframe here, and a keyframe here, and I'm going to scale it up. Make sure you selected the overlay mode for this, by the way. I'm also going to adjust the opacity a little bit, but just a little. And then I'm going to right click, show keyframe animation, and I will select the graphs here. I can't really see that, hold on. I will select one of the keyframes here, if I can just do that. Go to graphs and select ease out 3. And then after that, I'm going to select the video again, and I'll go to animation, out, and I'll select fade out, which is, hold on, let me just mute this, which is here. And that's it. If you don't like the overlay color, just adjust the opacity to the video. Let me just hide keyframe animation here. Like, as you can see, it's a little bit brighter, so if you just go to normal and adjust the opacity to like maybe 50 or 40%, it still works the same. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.